नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ JVN Jyoti Kumawat, Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today I am going to discuss the topic Construction of Achievement Test, which is belong from the course Assessment of Learning from the program BSc B.Ed 4th semester. Achievement Test is also called Uplabdhi Parikshan, which is designed to calculate the students' performance in their sessional period. Achievement test is tool for teachers for evaluation of students in school situation. With the help of achievement test, we can measure the amount of success of an individual in a specific field. In school environment, it is used as an instrument to measure success of an individual in particular subject or group of subjects. It gives the knowledge about what an individual acquire by testing his abilities. Now we come to the some definition that given by different writer. According to Waters, achievement tests act as useful aid in diagnosing the student's specific learning needs for identifying his relative strength and weakness. According to Super, an achievement test of proficiency test is used to ascertain what and how much has been learned or how well a task can performed. And according to Freeman, achievement test is a test designed to measure knowledge, understanding, and skill in a specified subject of or a group of subjects. Now there are the next topic in achievement test, how we can construct the achievement test. So there are two basic questions to the for the construction of achievement test: what to measure and how to measure. What to measure involve certain objective in view that enables to bring acceptable changes in the student's behavior when we teach. How to measure involve how to construct an instrument that measure the abilities of students. Now, standardization is also necessary for that test that maintain the quality. That why this process is necessary in achievement test. For standardization, the direction of administering and scoring the test on different groups of individual like whom that the test is designed. Standard content develop the procedure for identical test on individuals in different place and a different time. Now here are some steps that construct the achievement test. On the basis of the steps, we design achievement test. One by one, we take all the tests. First step is planning the test. In planning the test, they will be carried out with the help of two steps: designing the test and preparation of blueprint. Designing is most important step in building the test, because designers should be careful about planning and making tests successfully. He should keep this in mind that how and what type of questions are used. He has to decide weightage of different objectives and units in the course, and for that designer follow the some specific steps like identification of objective, measurement of content, allotment of time, allotment of marks, whether he or she include the multiple choice question or not, emphasis on each subject and area of questions. Now further in the planning test come the next point, preparation of blueprint. After designing, preparation of blueprint is the last stage of the planning of test. Here test constructor put various types of questions in blueprint and allots them marks depending on the time. Now second step come preparing preliminary draft. In preliminary draft, there are some specific points are described like item writing, item editing, pre-try out, all. In item writing, it is important because test conductor should have some following points to be followed, like each item contains single idea, questions should be clear, simple and easy to understand, double barreled questions should be avoided, arrangement of items should be from simple to complex, subjective questions should also be avoided, and in item ending they should be edited the reviewed by language teacher and also by expert of measurement. Language teacher will check the error in language and defect in words. And in pre-tryout, the draft is modified and remove the shortcomings of preliminary draft. In this stage, constructor is confident for the usability of test. Now next, the tryout step. In this, to ensure the proper operating of test item and to remove shortcoming, it is essential to have tryout of some items. This help in predict how students will work in actual practice. Keep following some points while testing in sample, like proper sitting arrangement, times of administrating the test, total time required for test, proper motivation with the pupil, etc. Now next, fourth step come as a item analysis. It can also be defined as it is statistical procedure by which the appropriate item are selected for the final draft and poor item are rejected. In next step, the final draft, questions should be arranged in such a way that the easy, average and difficult and again starts from easy and so on. And in sixth, establishing of the reliability, validity and norms. Reliability of a test measurement, whatever it measure. Validity is measured by four methods like face validity, content validity, concurrent validity and predictive validity. And in norms, it is average score of sample population. These are the level obtained by a particular group of a person on a test. So we all have discussed about the some steps which are used basically to construct the achievement test. I hope you are all are satisfied with my digital session, and this digital session powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. If you have any queries and questions, then please mention in comment box. I resolve it in our live session. Thank